big tanker. BBM transporting. Yeah, today is Wednesday, February the 27th. We got hit by 2 snowstorms, one after another. Drifted in really bad. I had got the plow truck unstuck and plowed out, and it got drifted in here again really bad. And my plow truck had run out of, the voltage regulator was gone, and it ran out of gas down there. I went and got gas and a voltage regulator, and I figured, okay, we're all set to go. And I tried to start the truck, and the starter spins and the Bendix sort of like grinds against the ring gear. I played around with it for 3 hours and it will not engage. It's a brand new starter. I just put it in at this time last year. It was fine. It never gave me any problems at all. It's just like one thing after another. And I have to get out today somehow with one of these trailers to get hay. I tried to pull this trailer out, but it's drifted in there. Such hard drift that I couldn't pull it. Couldn't get traction. You can see I've been trying to do it there. So, but we had 4-foot high drifts across the whole driveway. The first time I blasted out of here, I made it 60 feet from the road, and I had snow drift coming over the hood, and that's where the truck stayed. And I spent 4 hours digging it out. And now that I've been driving over and it's so cold, even 25 below, that it's going to be so hard to plow if I can get that truck running. This starter's still in the warranty. It's got a 3-year warranty on it, but it's drifted in 3 feet on each side of the truck. Like, look at how deep the snow went going through in 4-wheel drive here, and it's like, I don't know if I can pull a trailer through here. But we got 50-mile-an-hour winds and snowing heavy, hard. And she drifted in. God, I miss my tractor, I tell you. The starter's under warranty, but I just don't understand. It never gave a problem at all. Like, I started the truck a few times there when I was plowing the last time, and I was just finishing up the grader bank there, and it ran out of gas, and I just parked it there. And again, like, the voltage regulator was gone for a while there, and my pension check didn't come till yesterday, so I wasn't able to get gas for the parts. And I figured, well, she would just go, but it just sounds like the Bendix is hitting the ring gear and just going chit 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 chit. And I tried turning the engine over in case it was a bad spot in the ring gear. Turning it over by hand. Must have turned that thing 20 times. And it just won't engage. And like I say, it never gave me any hint of any problem with the starter. That's been my luck. One thing after another. Here's the drift that I couldn't get through yesterday morning. And I shoveled my guts out under the truck, around the truck. Because as far as I made it, just about made it to the road. But there she sits. Oops, almost fell down. There she sits. I cleaned all the snow off the truck yesterday when I was trying to get it going. And look at that, it must have snowed again last night. So I don't know what the hell happened to the starter. I don't get it. It almost feels like somebody stopped here and took my brand new starter out of it and put some shit starter in it, because it never gave a problem ever since I replaced it last February. Okay guys, I'll be back. Here, I'll show you what this truck does when you turn the key. That's all she'll do. That's it, that's all. And it's sitting here in the worst place possible to get under the truck. And it's 25 below zero. Okay,